It's not raining anymore. Look it. There's a dog. See? There's a dog over there. We used to feed these dogs powder. There's a lot of people there. That's Zach. Yup, I named it Zach, or my sister did. And look at the sky. We have grills, so you can't really see. But the rain stopped, so I'm kind of sad about that. Where are you, Christmas? No, there's a sign. Where are you, rain? Look, there's a nest. It's been taken over by trees, but there's a nest on the side. Can't really see anything here, but I can see the dog. Can see the dog in there. Oh my god! Why is it so zoomed in? It's so zoomed in that I don't even know what to do. There. It got up! Doggy! I'm filming what it's doing. It's a girl. Zachy. Look at it! Ah. I have to zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Normal. Look at the sky! There's so much grass that I can't move. Bonnie cannot come out. You know what? The water in my house, I can move. It's just misty pani. I like it dry though. I don't know where the doggy went. I'm home though. We had more doggies. Let's go back. Hey. Oh, and look down there. I showed this earlier. Look. All the trees are knocked out. See? I'm more recently added to their stories. You added something to your stories? Yeah. Okay. I think I need to stop the video already. Yeah, I need to stop the video already. But wait, let's go to the back. Go to the back. It's really zoomed in. Why is it so sorry, but it's dark. Here, I'm in the back door. Sorry, I burped. It's wet. It's really wet. I can't walk. Woo! I'm dying. It's bad if I come here. So don't think I should. Shouldn't be doing this. Sorry, Mom. But look at the sky. It's so like grayish. But then if you look in there, it's like white. Look at that. Look at that. And look at that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move off because I'm wet. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. I got wet. Look at this huge tree. We have a star. Now I'm gonna get the house wet because I got my sandals wet. Yeah, I'm gonna get the house wet now. I walked in the carpet. Let's go back here. I'm back. Wait. say something. So cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now.